John, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Yes, I am part of an estate that was in my father's trust.
All right.
And my uncle had a life estate on it, and he lived on there. And my other uncle had passed away years ago.
Okay.
And all three of them were on there: my father's trust, my uncle's life estate, and my uncle that passed away. Well, my uncle passed away that had the life estate.
All right.
And the thing is that his kids, he didn't have his trust funded. My other uncle didn't have a trust. My father did, and it was on the property. What had happened is that my cousins, both my uncles, went and put their names.
John, let's start for a minute here. When somebody has a life estate, it means as long as they are alive, they have a use and benefit of the piece of property. When they pass away, their interest goes to a remainder man. So I know your uncle had a life estate. Who owned the remainder interest of his life estate?
His two children.
So when he died,
his trust. Go ahead.
So when he died, his two children now own his 1/3 interest in this property.
Okay. So then, because they went to the courthouse and had their names put on the property,
well,
along with my other cousin.
In a typical life estate, there's one single deed. That one single deed says life estate for uncle, remainder to the two children. When uncle dies, there's no new deed. They simply record uncle's death certificate into public records, and that automatically puts the two kids in.
Yeah, I didn't see that on the deed, but I just saw it was a life estate.
Okay.
So, but
John,
okay. Well, thank you,
John. If I haven't answered your question, the next step would be for to actually review the deeds that you're speaking of, and that might put some clarity on it.